asked ourselves, how could we create the most powerful, most reliable 3D printer designed for the desktop? Introducing the Form 2 high-resolution 3D printer. It starts at the heart of the machine, the optical engine. A high-powered laser is guided by custom galvanometers, creating each layer with exceptional detail. A sliding peel mechanism gently removes the part from the print bed, while a wiper glides across the optical window. A responsive heating system warms the resin to a consistent temperature. This creates a reliable print process, producing beautiful parts without sacrificing speed. It features a 40% larger build volume and a new smart resin system that automatically refills the tank when levels are low. To make printing simple, we've added wireless connectivity and a touchscreen display. Now you can upload over Wi-Fi, manage your queue, and receive notifications when your print's complete. All this has been designed to work together with our world-class software and cutting-edge materials to deliver professional results. The Form 2, the most advanced desktop 3D printer ever created.
Yeah, it's real good volume. I can hear everything.
You didn't hear that in the beginning? It's amazing.
It's amazing.
How?
I hear it, the sound's coming through.
Yeah, I like it.
It's so funny.
Whoa.
Hallo?
Oh.
Hey, du hörst einfach die Musik. Yeah. Oh wow, that's really cool.
That's crazy. Sorry about that. Hello? Yeah.
So I can tilt my head forward, back, left, and right to make the drone do exactly the same. I can put two fingers out to make a peace sign gesture. It lets the drone go up, down, and spin around. Okay, it's very scary. Can we? So what we're doing is we're controlling a Sphero ball by sending Bluetooth commands from this device. All you need to do is tilt the device forward to make the Sphero go forward, and you rotate it to make it go a different direction. So you can do things like walk it like a dog, or drive it off a sweet jump and catch it in your hand. It's not possible.
Just control your computer with your hands.
For example, Photoshop. Adjust the contrast. Ooh, a little less. Okay, now the brightness. Yep, perfect. Save that. Let's take this a little further. Add a logo. Bring it down, lower, a little to the right. Great. If you have two of them, you can even type.
LifeStraw steel is an evolution on the LifeStraw personal water filter. It features a lightweight, durable stainless steel body with advanced two-stage filtration. The first stage of filtration is the activated carbon, which filters 100 liters and is replaceable. This improves the taste of water while reducing chemicals and pesticides. The second stage of the filtration process is the encapsulated 0.2 micron hollow fiber membrane filter. This filters 1,000 liters, which is 264 gallons, and removes virtually all bacteria and protozoa from water, including Giardia, E. coli, Cryptosporidium, and Salmonella. Weighing only 4.4 ounces, the LifeStraw steel is perfect for travel, backpacking, or emergency preparedness. The LifeStraw steel contains no chemicals such as iodine and uses no batteries or moving parts. To use the LifeStraw steel, simply remove the caps and insert the filter into your water source. Wait 5 to 10 seconds as the water seeps into the filter, and then begin to draw water through the mouthpiece. You can either use a water bottle or drink straight from the source. The flow rate is quite high. It's like drinking through a thick straw. When you're finished drinking, simply blow the water out to backflush and clean the filter, and then put the caps back on. When you buy a LifeStraw steel, you're making an impact. With our Follow the Leaders program, for every LifeStraw sold in North America, we provide a year of clean drinking water to a child in a developing country.